Hey there, Eco Warriors! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a fascinating journey of sustainability by exploring how leaf plates are made. Yep, you heard that right, plates made from leaves. Let's roll up our sleeves and get started. Alright, first things first, we need some leaves. Now the beauty of this process is that you can use a variety of leaves from banana leaves to palm leaves. For today's demonstration, we've got some fresh Areca leaf straight from the garden. Areca leaf plates are crafted from naturally fallen leaves of the Areca tree. These fallen leaves undergo a process to transform them into plates that are completely biodegradable, 100% natural, and environmentally friendly. The manufacturing process of Areca leaf plates is entirely organic and natural. In an era marked by increased environmental consciousness and the rise of organic products, Areca leaf plates stands out as a premier choice. Across the globe, people are embracing these biodegradable plates in their efforts to protect the environment. Areca leaf plates play a vital role in this endeavor, offering a sustainable alternative to traditional disposable tableware. Available in various shapes such as round, square, rectangular, bowls, and more, Areca leaf plates cater to diverse needs while promoting eco-friendly living. For your better understanding, we have given a brief description of these steps. This will help you know more about the manufacturing process of Areca leaf plates. Collecting raw material. The first and most important step of the manufacturing process is the collection of raw materials. The Areca leaf plates are made from the fallen sheaths of the Areca trees. India is the leading producer of the Areca nuts. Other countries like Vietnam, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, and Indonesia also produce Areca nuts. In India, Karnataka has the largest number of Areca palm tree cultivation. Farmers collect the sheaths and separate them from the leaf. After the separation, the farmers send the sheaths to Areca leaf merchants, drying the Areca sheath. The next step in the process is drying of the Areca sheath. When the merchants collect the sheaths from the farmers, they further dry them. This process is done to remove the moisture from the sheath. The moisture in the sheath can hamper the leaf plates. This is the only reason why there is a shortage of raw materials in the rainy season. After drying, the sheaths are tied into bundles of 25. Then finally, these bundles are sent to the Areca leaf plate manufacturer. Cleaning the Areca sheath. After coming into the factory, the manufacturers soak the sheath in fresh water for 20 minutes. Further, the sheaths are scrubbed using a soft brush to remove the sand particles and dust. After draining the water, the sheaths are pressed in the Areca leaf plate making machine. The Areca leaf plate making machine. The Areca leaf plate making machine is also known as the Paku Matai machine in Tamil. It is one of the most important equipment that you would need in the making of these plates. The Areca leaf plate making machine has two pressing heads, the upper pressing head and a lower pressing head. The upper head is fixed to a channel and the lower head of the machine moves up and down. The up and down movement of the machine helps in pressing the Areca leaf sheaths. Both the pressing heads have a heating coil. After turning on the machine, the pressing heads start heating. The heat of these heads is controlled by a thermostat. You can easily set the temperature of these pressing heads according to the size of the Areca leaf plates. The smaller the plate, the lower the temperature, and the same is the case with comparatively larger plates. However, the temperature settings still vary. It totally depends on the age of the heating coil and the dye used in the Areca leaf or sheaths. Pressing the plates. After the heating of the sheaths with the Areca leaf plate making machine, the next step is the pressing of the plates. We place the sheath between the hot pressing heads and press them tightly. The heads are tightly pressed against each other to get the desired shape. When the plates have the desired shape, the next step is to cut. The pressing heads also contain cutting blades in the edge. With the help of these blades, you can easily cut the sheath into a proper shape. One of the most important things to note here is that no chemical is used in the whole process. Just with the help of a machine and proper heat, the Areca leaf plates are manufactured. No other content is added in the manufacturing process of the Areca leaf plates. This kind of organic manufacturing process of the plates makes them toxic-free. Waste sheaths. Now that the Areca leaf plates are ready, the next step is to manage the waste sheath. The waste collected after the pressing and cutting of the sheaths is not thrown away. Instead, all the waste is collected and is considered agro waste. All the waste sheath is shredded into powder. This powder is further used as animal fodder, grading the Areca leaf plates. The last and most important step is to grade the Areca leaf plates. The step is done manually. After the grading, the Areca leaf plates' edges are smoothened with the help of sandpaper. This process gives the plates a beautiful finish and a clean surface. The process also helps in removing all the dust and dirt from the Areca leaf plates. In the end, the leaf plates are left to dry. Before packaging, it is made sure that there is no moisture in the plates. The last step includes curing the plates using UV lights. This inhibits the mold and microbe growing on the surface of the Areca leaf plates. These are the 7 main steps involved in the manufacturing process of the Areca leaf plates. The process is totally organic and natural.